Hey everyone, welcome back to Pinker Shopping. I'm here today at Burlington. Check out the Christmas stuff. It's $20 for him. Here's another one. That one's carrying teddy bears. There's a gnome. This tree is 17. This guy here, I think it's 25. Yeah, here's some wreaths for 25 each. There's that one there. And up there. Alright, look at the gnome with the Christmas tree. This is $12.99 for this. The snow globe. This one back there. This one here. Santa. There's more Santa guys. There's a nice hibis. What do you call this? I honestly can't remember what you call those. There's that guy. And him. And this little thingy down here, which is cute. And the gnomes. The Christmas pajamas. The Grinch for 10. This long one by Lucky Brand. I don't know how much. Let's see. $20. It used to be $70. So there's that. These Santa PJs, $17. This family sleep pajamas for kids for $12.99. How about this heart one? $15 for this, and it comes with ear masks or something and pants. This Tahari robe. And this deluxe Steels robe for $20. And look, love my bed. It is $13.99 for this. And this heart robe here. What else they have? Mickey Mouse for 10. This nice robe here is 17. And it also comes in gray if you like that. Let's see here, wine pajamas. This is 14 for this one. And there's that one too. Nice gift ideas. The BB 6-piece hand cream collection with different scents. The Paris Hilton body lotion and perfume. Perry Ellis perfume and shower gel. The Viva La Juicy Couture shampoo, body spray and perfume. Fancy by Jessica Simpson. This Ellen Tracy for 10, that's a good deal. Juicy Couture roller perfumes. And Reebok. And over here, this little Jones New York is 25. Stone Mountain backpack 17. This Steve Madden with a little chain. I'm sure I've seen it before, but just don't remember. For 30. Tommy Hilfiger for 23. What's this one? Alyssa. I like this. I think that's a cute addition for 25. How about this Juicy Couture? Look at that. That's new and I haven't seen that before. For 28. Steve Madden bag down there. How about Love Betsy Johnson? $25. And it's got like a little, that. The BB bag is 23. This Betsy Johnson bag, it's $13.99. That's a good deal. Joe's New York for 28. And Klein for 30. Here's a cute backpack thingy with a little ball fuzzy. It's by White Cream Souffle. It's $20 for this little backpack here. I have the Guess bag here for 38. Okay. US Polo, Beverly Hills Polo Club, 15. This Back here doesn't have a tag on it. Look at this for 23. Steve Madden backpack for 28. This Steve Madden bag was 33. Look how cute this Juicy Couture bag is. It's red and black. Oh, it has a wallet that comes out. Okay. That's nice. $19. Cute selection of clutches. So this one's 13. The rainbows. This shiny one here doesn't have a price tag. This one here is 17. How about this one here? $10 for this whole thing. How about this one here? No price. Little black one too. Look at the red one. This one's 10 for the black one. Alright guys, last section I'm going to show you is the shoes. So I see these cute. I think they're Guess. Yeah. They are $35 for these cute Guess boots. How about these Harley? I think that's what Hurley for 23. Hurley sneakers. Calvin Klein flats for 30. That's cute. Jones New York little heels are 25. These tan boots by Blowfish are 25 for those boots. These Guess boots are cute as what? $40. These are so cute. Look, little platform in there. How about these Tommy Hilfiger boots? Let's see here. Not too sure on the price of those. Let's see. How about these BD boots? Heels boots, whatever. Those are cute. We have these ones here by Jones New York for 30. Look at these. I actually love these. What is the brand? How much are they? Look at the brand wanted. I don't know how much it is. So DKNY boots here for 30. There's a lot of boots here. They're all cute. What about this one, Tommy Hilfiger? That's pretty cute, huh? These right here with the cheetah print stuff is 27. These red, candy red or whatever, are by Guess for 40. How about these shiny tan ones? They are $27. These Guess ones are 37. Look at these Report shoes for 15. That's a good deal. What else? Anne Klein flats for 22 on sale. How about these by Sugar for 25? See the heel? I like how the holes for the things are rainbow. So they're 27 by Union Bay. How about these DKNY boots? They are $27. Well, that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe for regularly updated content and ring the bell to get notified of all my upcoming videos. Alright, everyone, see you next time.